This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome to our newest listing, 181 Hudson Place, located in the ultra-contemporary Station 121 community here in San Jose. This 3-bed, 3.5-bath townhome is defined by its luxurious upgrades throughout and is perfect for any family starting their Silicon Valley adventure. Step inside and see what could be yours. Welcome home. Nothing surpasses the amazingly convenient location here at 181 Hudson, where we're just minutes away from the Village Oaks Shopping Center and Oak Ridge Mall, as well as major light rail and Caltrain stops at Monterey and Tamian Station. Enjoy your nights and weekends by strolling through the gorgeous Ramick Park or enjoying a variety of fine dining experiences at the Village Oaks Shopping Center. Catch a movie at the nearby Oak Ridge Theaters, or sip on a swirl at the Keys on Snell and Blossom Hill. The dining and entertainment options are quite possibly endless. I can't think of a better place to live, love, and enjoy your Silicon Valley life.